Hi Rohit.
Hi Mehak.
Hey, did you attend the career counseling session organized by our placement team last week?
Yes, I did. It was great and very insightful. I learned a lot about the new and upcoming technologies where we can build our careers.
Even I was impressed. I even spent my past few days exploring more about these technologies.
So you have already decided in which field you want to pursue your career in?
Yes, I did. I have decided to build my career in Geographic Information Systems or GIS.
GIS. Yes, I also heard about it, but what made you choose GIS? Do you think it has a good future potential as a technology?
It was a revelation to me how we are touched by GIS technology and in our everyday lives. It's truly ubiquitous. As a consumer, we use GIS in very basic applications such as tracking our online food delivery order on a map, to booking a cab, to raising complaints like uploading potholes on roads with pictures or uploading the places where garbage collection is needed with their GPS location.
If these are basic applications, then what are some large-scale applications of GIS?
Today, all of us are challenged by COVID-19 pandemic, and GIS is key technology helping us fight it. Public health and government agencies are using GIS extensively to map the cases to understand how the virus is spreading, where it may impact the most, and where do we need to scale up our health infrastructure, set up our quarantine centers, plan containment zones, and manage migration movements. In fact, GIS was used extensively during Ebola, Zika virus spread, and also in polio eradication. Even in managing disasters such as cyclones, floods, and earthquakes, GIS is used.
So GIS is used extensively only in health-related segment. Am I right?
No, GIS is multifaceted technology and is used significantly across other industries also. Manufacturing, retail, telecom, agriculture, defense, public safety, banking, insurance, smart cities, infrastructure programs like roads, railways, ports, and much more. GIS is being used to solve some of the critical challenges that we all face today: climate change, deforestation, and conservation. In fact, even technologies like AI, big data, and IoT are converging with GIS, which really makes it very exciting. As I learn more, I am becoming aware of innumerable opportunities the technology has to offer and why it is right career choice for me.
You seem have learned quite a lot in just a few days of time. Can you please guide me where and how should I start to learn about GIS?
Sure. Best place to get started is learn.arcgis.com. Just go there and register yourself. You will not only get access to a large library of course modules, but also get access to the evaluation software for hands-on practice. Best part is that it's free. In addition, there are multiple other free trainings and MOOCs on ISRI website, which we can learn so much more and even define our own learning path.
Great, Mehak. Thanks. I will register myself today and will explore more about GIS.
No problem. Welcome to the world of maps and GIS. Happy learning!